Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to buy and install a game from Steam. Actually, I made this video also to practice my English, so I wish you understand what I said. If you are new to PC gaming or you just got your Steam account ready, you can see how to buy a game on Steam. First of all, open your Steam application, or you can open this site store.steampowered.com. In this video I will try to buy a game from Steam application because usually I just buy it from this site. It's also new for me. Okay, this is Steam application. Okay, once you install Steam application, you need to log in this my Steam application. This is my Steam application. I already logged in. This is my account, and then you can click on store. This is the view. What you can see in the store is a lot of game recommendation you can choose. If you want to buy a specific game, you can use this search bar and type the game you want to buy. This time I want to buy Monster Hunter Rise, so I type Monster Hunter Rise here. Okay, this is Monster Hunter Rise. Oh shit. After you found the game you like or the game you want to buy, you will see this is a green button said add to cart. You can choose either you buy the basic game or package with DLC or others. In this video I will buy the Monster Hunter Rise with Sunbreak DLC. Then you can click add to cart. Okay, the game already on your cart. In this part you can choose purchase for my account. This mean that the game will add to your Steam account, or you can give it to a friend as gift. This is a gift, and you need to enter your friend's Steam account. If you choose to play this game only for you, not for family sharing, you need to choose for my account private. I want to buy this for my account, so after this, if you wanna choose another game, you can continue shopping and search the game you want to buy, other game. But I already picked a couple games, so I'll let you show my cart. This is the game I want to buy today. Okay. After this is the game already on your cart. After you done choose the game, you can continue to payment. Payment. Okay. Wait. Okay, you need to review is the game you want to buy already on this page. Like this is a couple game, Metal Slug series and Monster Hunter Rise plus Sunbreak. Okay. Next, you can choose or you can select your payment method. Steam will let you pay with a couple method like Steam Wallet, Visa, Mastercard. In Indonesia, you can use Dana Link Aja. And here I will use my Steam Wallet because I already have a balance in my wallet. Continue. And don't forget to check this. I agree to the terms. And purchase. Okay. And done. You already buy your first game on Steam. Okay. Next, how to install it on your PC game. After you purchase the game, you can go to library here in Steam application, library and home. Find your game you just bought. Monster Hunter. Where is Monster Hunter? Here, Monster Hunter. Okay, and then you can hit install button here. Install. Choose the drive where you want to install the game. My default is in C drive, and install. Okay, this is the terms for this game. Accept and done. The Steam will download your game. After it finish, after the download finish, you can hit play and you can enjoy your new game. And that's it. You just learn and you just saw how to buy and install game from Steam. Pretty simple. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button. And thank you for watching. See you next one.